Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. If you already sell somewhere else, you don't have to retype every product. In this video, I'll show you how to import your whole catalog at once from a file, like a spreadsheet or an export from Shopify. Let's bring your products in. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard. In the left menu, click Products to open your product list. At the top of the Products page, click Import. Upload your file, a CSV or XML. If you sell on Shopify, just export your products to a CSV and upload that here. You can also paste a link to the file instead. Next, open Fields Mapping. This is where you tell Resogra which column in your file is the product name, which is the price, which is the description, and so on. Resogra matches most of them for you automatically. Finally, click through to finish, and Resogra imports every product at once. Your whole catalog is now live, ready for customers, no retyping required. And that's it, your products are imported and live on Resogra, all in one go. No retyping, no copy and paste. You can run an import anytime you add a batch of new products. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.